If you're watching this, welcome. You're at your home, your happy place. My name's Debbie. Hope you'll decide to subscribe. But if you're watching this, you know that it's part 2 of my Christmas home tour. Thank you so much for joining me. I tried to fit it all in, but it just wouldn't make it. And so here we are to finish the tour off. It will be set to music. There won't be any links. If you're interested in things, ask me in the comments at the beginning of the year. I will definitely be looking at those. But until then, enjoy.
Halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, fa la 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 la. with boughs of olive. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Join the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la.
Jingle them bells and frolic. Oh, by gosh, some stolly. Eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year, I just can't get enough. I drink till Rudolph reappears, a toast to him, that red-nosed dear. Jingle them bells and frolic, it's the best day of the year. Come fly with me now, Rudy. I'm loaded. I count the hours and minutes till the last week of December. For me the Christmas spirits flow as early as September. It's the best of seasons, come and raise your glass and sing. No need for other reasons. Glory to the newborn King. I drink to Santa and his helpers too. Here's to mistletoes and here's to you. Jingle them bells and frolic, come, let's sing and dance and cheer. It's the best time of the year, the best day of the year. Yes, it is the best day of the year. Hear, hear.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their song
Okay, that is a wrap for 2024. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your time, your comments, your likes, your prayers, your views. It was so, so appreciated. And I look forward to seeing you in the coming year. It's going to be fun. Bye.